Hi my honeys, Erica here. I have something super special planned for today's video. I've partnered with Floral.com to show you how to make this beautiful, natural looking tropical floral arrangement. Let me show you. Did I mention it's ginormous? If you want to see how I created this beautiful tropical floral arrangement that looks very natural, keep on watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. Hi my honeys. Okay, so today we are making a very realistic looking floral arrangement with Floral florals, and I'm going for a tropical vibe. First, I'm starting out by hot gluing a piece of styrofoam down at the bottom of my vessel. If you don't know this, Floral doesn't just have florals, they also have amazing vessels like bowls, they have planters, vases, all kinds of stuff. So you want to just make sure it's nice and glued down at the bottom. It took me a couple of times, I think, to get it nice and glued down there, but that's okay. I like to start my bouquets and my arrangements by putting the largest pieces on the bottom, especially the extra foliage like the grasses. Put that on the bottom so then you have something to build off of. You can also see me spinning the vessel because I want to make sure this looks good from all sides. Now I'm starting to add some of the florals in, and I start adding the largest pieces in because I figure you need to make sure you have enough room for all of those, and then you can add extras in to fill in gaps. I love that not only do they have beautiful flowers, they also have these grasses and leaves that just add a lot of texture and extra color into the arrangement. I highly recommend you get yourself a good pair of floral snips and have all of your foliage cut off the wire at the start of your project. I didn't do that, and I was only using a pair of scissors, so you'll see me struggle a little bit here and there getting the wire cut to make sure that they're the right height. But if you have a good pair of floral snips, you'll be fine. Now I'm adding some extra flowers in. I love these proteas that they have on their website. They're very realistic looking. You can add them at varying heights too. This will make it look more wild and more natural. What's nice about them all being on a wire too is you can kind of bend them where you want them. Notice I keep spinning the arrangement because I want it to look good from all sides. I love these grasses. These are great fillers. I also picked up a couple of very realistic, I think they're Real Touch because they almost feel real. I grabbed a Monstera leaf, and then I also grabbed a fan palm, and they're both gonna add some extra texture and some height to the arrangement. I love my very concentrated face this whole video. What's great about this project is you can do this from your couch. You can do this sitting on the floor like I am. You can do this at your kitchen table. I'm just about done here. Now I'm just starting to fill the gaps with any little extra greenery that I have left over. I highly recommend you save extra leaves that you might have from flowers, and then you can use that as filler at the very end. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm just spinning it and adding filler. Now I'm gonna take that fan palm that I have. First I'm gonna struggle with it, trying to break it off, and then I'm gonna put it into the arrangement for one final bit of height and texture. You can also hot glue all of your stems into the styrofoam for a more permanent arrangement, but I decided not to do that in case I want to change up this arrangement at some point. And And here is the final arrangement. I hope you love it. I want to thank A Floral for partnering with me on this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big ol' thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.